Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I am going to solve question number 2 of weekly contest 481. Minimum deletion cost to make all characters equal, right? So this problem is actually very good, right? And very easy actually once you understand, right? So here in this problem you are given a string s of length n and an integer array cost of the same length, where cost of I is the cost to delete the ith character of the S. You may delete any number of characters from S, possibly none, such that the resulting string is non-empty and consists of equal characters, right? So all the characters should be same. We have to return an integer denoting the minimum total deletion cost required. Minimum, right? So now see this example number 1. So here, see, if you see the constants here first, so n is nothing but s dot length is equal to cost dot length, same. N is from 1 to 10 to 5. Cost of I value is from 1 to 10 to 9. And important, s consists of lowercase English letters only, right? So what are the lowercase English letters? We have A, B, C up to Z, right? A is at 0 index, B is at 1 index, C is at 2 index, same as Z is at 25 index. Total 26 characters, lowercase, right? So here, if you notice, this is my string s, right? So here we have a, right? We have b, we have c, right? I don't see any other character, right? So what is the cost overall cost here to delete all the characters? Let's say I want to delete all the characters. So what is the overall cost then? 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 10 is 21. Is nothing but you can say overall cost or total cost, right? Now among this total cost, A's cost is, okay, if I want to delete 1 2 3 4, right? So that's because this and this. So overall cost is 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 8. 8 is the cost, or no, check again. 1 2 and 4 and 1. Okay, so 8 is the cost. Good, 8 is the cost, right? B's cost is 3, right? And C cost is 10, right? And overall is 21, right? So good, yeah, it's correct. Okay, so this is the cost that we have, right, in total. Now among this, right, among this, what we need to do, right? So here, right, we have to return an integer denoting the minimum total deletion cost required. Minimum total deletion required, right? So here, what I'm going to do now, among all these, right, among all these, I need the minimum deletion cost, right? So if I delete a, right, so I am getting this 8, right? If I'm deleting this b, I have to spend cost 3. If I have to delete c, right, I am spending cost 10, right? Clear? Okay, so now here here what I can do, among this first, tell me the max value. Among this max is for c, right, which is 10, right, which is 10. Okay, now here, let's say if I delete c, right, if I delete c, I'm spending more amount than if I'm deleting a, or than if I'm deleting b, right? So if I don't want to delete c, right, and if I want to delete others, right, so what I can do, this is my total cost, right, and among this I minus c. C is nothing but this max value, right? Max value. So what I'm going to get? I'm going to get 21 minus 10. So this is nothing but 11. So what does this mean? This means instead of C, I'm deleting everything, right? Instead of C, I'm deleting everything because in the end, I have to maintain A, or I have to maintain B, or I have to maintain C, right? Overall cost is 21, right? I want to return an integer denoting the minimum total deletion cost, right? So if I delete C, then I'm spending more amount, right? I'm spending more amount to delete, right? Okay. So if I want to definitely I want to keep something which has having the max value here, right? If that particular has max value here, right? So that means I'm saving it, right? How I'm saving it? You can understand it like this. We have A, right? We have B, and we have C, right? Overall cost is nothing but the combination of all these, right? A plus B plus C, right? Overall cost. Now, now in this I can only keep one in the overall cost. This box I want to keep only one, right? Right. So definitely I want to keep the max one inside it, and others I will remove it, right? Because only I can keep one, right? So that is why whatever the max value, I am going to subtract it from the total cost. Now, I hope that now it is clear. Okay. So this is what actually we need to do. Here A is 10, B is 5, C is 8, right? Overall cost 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 5, 23. So overall cost is 23. I want to, this is my overall cost 23. Among this, A is 10, B is 5, and C is 8. So definitely you want to keep the maximum value here, right? So if you want to keep maximum value, definitely you have to subtract others. So whatever you want to keep, just subtract this value 10, right? Bigger value 23 minus 10 is 10. That's it. Deleting the characters at indices 1 and 2 results in the string A, which consists of equal characters, and the total cost is this, right? Now here, example number 3, only we have Z, right? Right. So there is no need, right? All the characters are same. All the characters in S are equal. So deletion cost is 0. That's it. So now it is very easy, right, for you. What you need to do here? Total cost. First, you have to calculate the total cost. Then A, B, C, how many times they are occurring, right? So A is at 0 index, B is at 1 index, C is at 2 index, like this, right? So I is equal to 0, I is less than S dot length, I plus plus, index S dot char at I minus A. So I'm just going to get the index of A, B, C, D. And in the keep cost at this particular index, I will just update the overall cost for that particular character. That's it, right? And here I will find the max keep value. So in this keep cost array I will iterate, right? And I will find the max value, max keep. If value is greater than max keep is this, right? And from total cost I can return max keep, right? That's it. Okay. So very easy problem, right? So time complexity here, it's going to be of n in this part. This part is also going to be of n only. This part is going to be of 26 only. So of n plus of n plus of 26. So overall time complexity is of n. That's it. So I hope that you guys are clear with question number 2 of weekly contest 481. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in the comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.